guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mika. For those of you that are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time your girl upload another video. So today is day 3 of Vlogmas and I'm going to do a little DIY today. I'm going to do a DIY reindeer. And that's gonna be a part of my little decorations and stuff like that. I got this idea from this YouTuber called Cheek on the Cheap. That's her YouTube name. I will link her YouTube down below in the description if you guys want to check her out. And I saw this DIY reindeer and I thought it was so cute, so I decided that I wanted to do this. I wanted to do this DIY. So that's what this video basically is about today. I also was supposed to do a DIY wreath as well to put on my door, but it didn't work out. And December is already here, so I didn't have time to do that. I didn't get all the stuff for that, so I'm just gonna do the reindeer and that's just gonna be the video for today. So yeah, let's get to getting this reindeer together because it's cute, okay? And I need to get everything done so I could decorate and, you know, have that video up for you guys. So anyways, enough of me rambling. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, and let's get to the video. Okay y'all, so starting out, you're going to need a hot glue gun, scissors, your hot glue sticks, the cutouts of the reindeer. You're going to need a paint, a pencil or pen, something to trace with. You're going to need your foam board. You're also going to need some yarn. You can use whatever color you want. You're going to need some paintbrushes, a bowl, glitter, and a board for you to put the reindeer on, and some tape. So I went ahead and cut out all my reindeer pieces, and right now I'm just putting it on the foam board to figure out where I want to put it. So once you figure that out, you want to tape down the pieces together to build the reindeer, and then you're going to trace it with your pen or pencil or whatever. You're going to trace it, and after you trace it, then you're going to cut all the pieces out. You want to trace the legs twice. You want to do each foot twice, so that you can have your 4 legs. I realized that some of the pieces weren't matching. It didn't line up correctly, so I had to cut it off and add it to the lines of, you guys can see, I don't know how to explain it, but you guys can see what I'm doing. As you guys can see right here where the arrow is pointing, there is a missing piece of white, and that's because I had to cut the lines of his body off so that I can match it up so that it lines up, because I don't know, it wasn't matching up. But anyways, we got it done. I taped it down and here I am tracing. So this is what it's looking like once I traced it. Originally I wanted to get the white paper, the white board, but they didn't have it, so I had to get the black one. So sorry if you guys can't see it that well. Then while my husband was cutting the pieces out of the board for me, I went ahead and painted my red board that I'm gonna put the reindeer on. I painted it white, even though it didn't really paint fully white because the red still kind of seeped through it, but whatever, yeah, I get the idea. Okay, so we are back. He finished cutting it out and I just went ahead and used my hot glue gun to glue down my yarn, and then I just wrapped it and I glue, you know, periodically I glue, I wrap, I glue, I wrap.
So that's what you guys see me doing here. I wish I had the whiteboard though, because my yarn was so thin that you were still able to see the black seeping through after I finished. But so this is what he's looking like after I finished wrapping all the pieces up with the yarn. And before I went ahead and glued, before I glued on his legs, I went ahead with the antlers and just added some glue and some glitter. As you guys can see, one side of the antlers, the black part came off, so I still just did the white, but I liked how the black side looked better. And then after I do that, you want to glue his legs on. I actually glued the legs to the board and then to his body, but I think it would have been better to just glue his legs on first and then glue his legs to the board. But whatever, it's live and you learn. After I added the antlers, I went ahead off camera and took an ornament and glued a red ornament on his nose, and that made that the nose. And I also gave him this cute little bow, and this is the finished product, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.